my house. I've been in this house for 6 years. Now they broke it for 4 years, for 4 hours. In one day. I've been suffering and smiling. Is that good? Is that good? They said it's for my APC. And we have voted for Amade. We voted for Amade. We voted for Tunumbu. We voted for Banyala. Now, see the way APC is doing in Lagos. They want to claim everybody's property. I suffered to build this house. I want the mercy people to help the poor man. Let them help the poor man.
Also 5 million, you want to go? 5 million. My property is not good. Our government is a bad government. Yes, our government is bad government. Yes, everybody are not getting anything. I don't get family for them. They just get everything. They don't move a person. 1 year, they don't give person 1 year. A year, they give person a year. They don't come for they don't say a 1 week. They come yesterday, they don't get everything. It's unfair. It's unfair. It's unfair. It's not good. Person get it. Person get it. I'm robber too much. I'm robber too much. People too much.
This is Nigeria. We vote, and at the end of the day, we cannot enjoy the dividends of democracy. There are 3 fundamental basic needs of life: food, clothing, and shelter. We work in, day out. Work tirelessly. We are hardworking people in Nigeria. We try to provide food on our tables to feed ourselves and our family. We try to use some little money to buy clothing to cover our nakedness. And some of us, we have to deny ourselves meal. We have to fast. We have to go on empty stomach, hunger. We have to deny ourselves the luxury of life of good clothing to save a lot of money to buy land and to build house, to put a roof on ourselves and on our family. But we are at Ibejuleke local government, Abule Parapo, Awoyaya. We are some well-meaning Nigerians who had saved money all their lives, denied themselves of the luxury of life to buy land and build houses rather. And in one day, in less than 24 hours, their houses are being demolished to ground level. Some of them, they still have their properties in heat. It has been happening before now. And it has always been the same case with everyone referencing Lekki Gardens. The question are this: what is the position of Ibeju local government on the operations and the activities of Lekki Gardens in Ibejuleke local government? 2, what is or are the position or positions of the Lagos state government being led by Mr. Akimu Ambode on the activities and operations of Lekki Gardens in Ibejuleke local government and Etiosa local government? taking law into their hands to demolish houses. And now, the most important questions: what is the fate of these well-meaning Lagosians who save their hard-earned money to construct buildings to shelter themselves and their family? And lest we forget, what is the position of the landowners, the families that owns this land? What is their position after selling these lands to these people to build house? What happened? Did they resell the land to Lekki Gardens, or they are not rightful owners of this land? These and many more questions we need to hear from the people affected. My name na Dr. Squared, and this na Citizen Information Network. Bridging information gap is our duty. From the nooks and crannies of the nation, we will bring to you live from the street assembly to governance development and the people, and to business standpoints, and to ability in disabilities, to vox pops, and to electionary campaign. Like I say, we'll be right back after this short break to talk to these people that are affected by this demolition.